There is absolutely a lot of ways you can make money online, so far you're actually doing it the right way these days. And that's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple strategy you can make money online just by utilizing two platforms. So stick on with me as we dive right into this video. And guys, the first platform which I'm going to be leveraging is this platform called Leonardo.ai. This is an amazing platform that you can utilize to generate cool images right now from just simple text prompts or text description. And the cool thing about this is that you could easily sign up to the platform for free. Once you actually do create an account, you can just simply go on to login into your account and you'll be brought to a home page that looks similar to this. Now if you scroll through this page, you can see a lot of cool and amazing images that were generated by other individuals utilizing this platform just by giving it a simple description. Now if I select this image right now, you can see the description that was used to generate this image right now in this section. You could also go on to see much more properties of the image and also the fine-tuned model that was used to generate this image. Now you can actually go on to generating your own image by coming onto this image generation section. Click on that right now. The page is going to load up. You just need to go on to inserting your text prompt right here and actually select a very cool and amazing fine-tuned model. Now the fine-tuned model actually helps you depict the kind of image that we actually gotten out as the output. If you are selecting the 3D animation style, it's going to create a cool fine-tuned model that is actually like a cartoon character. Now if you select the anime style, it's going to be like an anime. If you select absolute reality, it's going to look quite real. Now for instance, I actually do select the anime style or the 3D animation style for this same image right now, this same prompt that was used to generate this image. You can select properties of this particular image right now, such as number of images, and you need to take notes guys that increasing the number of images will increase the number of tokens you will use to generate your prompt right now, and the higher the number of images, the higher the number of tokens you'll be utilizing, and you get about 150 tokens to use each and every single day. Now you could edit properties of the image such as image dimensions. Maybe you can actually come right here and edit some of other properties. Once you're done, click on generate and your image generation will actually begin to be in progress. Now in a matter of some seconds right now, your image will be generated and you'll be able to see how cool the image actually looks like. So take a look at this guys. This is the image that was generated right now. You can see how cool the images looks like. Now the same prompt was used to generate these two images or these two sets of images right there, but you'll need to take note that the fine-tuned model are actually different. This one is actually the 3D animation style, as you can actually do see right here in this section, while for the second image or the second set of image is for the absolute reality right now. So you can select any image which you want to utilize. Maybe I want to utilize this one. Click on over around that, click on the download icon. The image will be downloaded on your device. You can actually then head on to utilizing this particular platform, which is the second platform, and the platform is called the TeePublic. Now this is absolutely an amazing platform that you can utilize to make money utilizing the print on demand business model. Now this is a business model whereby you don't actually need any form of capital to start. Even as a beginner today with no capital, you can start this business and start earning some cool cash. Now to actually give you an overview of what the print on demand business model actually is, you can actually do see that this is a business model where products such as apparels, accessories or home decorations are only produced when an order is received. Now you don't actually need any inventory management or upfront costs for this kind of business. And guys, this is absolutely cool. You just need to create cool designs of accessories, decorations and a lot more cool stuff, and they could actually include stuff like t-shirts, bags, hoodie, phone cases and a lot more cool and other stuff right there. Now take a look at this overview of what the print on demand business actually is. Now for you to do the business, you actually need to create a store, an online store for that matter, but you're not going to be needing any capital for that. Once you create an online store for absolutely free and you go into creating cool designs of such kinds of apparels, once a customer goes on through your designs, they see a design and they like that design, maybe they're going to place in that order to purchase that particular design, your store is actually going to send that order to the print on demand platform, which in this case is going to be TeePublic. Once your store sends the order to TeePublic, TeePublic actually goes on to printing that particular design, bring it to life and actually package that and ship that to your customer. And both you and TeePublic are going to share the profit which is made from that particular product once your customer places order right there. So that's absolutely cool right now. Now if you go back to TeePublic right here, you can actually see a lot of cool designs that were actually generated on this platform, and you can see the respective amount for such kinds of designs right now. A lot of these are actually for t-shirts, and you can just simply keep on scrolling through. This is for t-shirt right now. You can actually see the amount for the design or for the t-shirt right there, and you can just simply see a lot more cool stuff. Now if you want to create your own design, you just need to go on to creating an account on the platform. If you click on create account, you need to provide your first name, last name, email address, your country, the password, confirm the password, and get your account created. Once your account has been created and you're logged into your account, you're going to see an option right here which says upload art. Click on the upload art option. Once you do click on that, guys, you want to just simply select the use single file uploader, or you could use multiple file uploader to upload multiple files. Click on this particular option right here to actually go on to uploading that particular image which you want to just simply utilize from your device. This is the image. I'm just going to click on open, and the image will be uploaded. In some cases, guys, you may want to just simply utilize platforms like remove.bg to remove the background of such images right now. Once you remove the background of such images, you can actually head back to the platform and utilize that particular image right there. As you can see right now, it's actually checking my artwork. This is the artwork right now, and if I scroll through, I can actually give this a design, adding the main and supporting tags. Now these tags are actually what are going to help my designs be much more discoverable by a lot of audience. You can also add in a cool description, and you can see this option says, does this design contain mature content such as nudity or other adult themes? I'm just going to select no. Once you select that, you can keep on scrolling through, and you can see the design right here. Now for these guys, I can actually go on to increasing the size right now from this section and simply arrange that how I actually do want. Now once this has actually been done right now, I can just simply go on to this section and change the theme color. Maybe I could change the default color. You can see black, you can see maroon, red, soft, and maybe I'm just going to select brown because I do prefer this color on this design. Once that has actually been selected, you may want to just simply put the design at the front of the t-shirt, back of the t-shirt, or both front and back. But I'm going to leave this at the front only. You can just simply turn this design on for hoodies. You can turn that on for tank, crown neck, long sleeve t-shirts, and a lot more cool stuff, of which you can just simply go into selecting how you want the background, the default color to actually be. As you can see, I can select the default color to be maroon, or I can just simply set the default color to be brown also. Now you can just simply select the color suitable to you, and once you're done right there, you can keep on scrolling through. Once you're actually done with this, you can see that these are all the colors that are going to be available for that, and you can just simply add the design to other products such as apparels, stickers, phone cases, mugs, wall art, pillows, tote bag, and pins, and a lot of other cool stuff like magnets. Now once that's actually done, you can just simply go on to publishing this right here after you have agreed to have read the terms and conditions. Now if you publish that right there, that will be published on your store, and for people that actually scroll through this platform to go on to purchasing items and they're going to see your design, if they like the design, they're going to purchase that, and you're going to make money on this platform. So the cool thing about this is that you can just simply promote your store further by linking that to other platforms like Etsy.com. Etsy.com is absolutely an amazing platform such as Amazon that you can just simply utilize right now to get a lot of traffic to your print-on-demand product. Now this platform actually gets lots and lots and lots of traffic, and people are always interested in buying something utilizing this platform. So why not just simply link your store to this platform and make more money? And I do hope this video was helpful. I do hope the strategy was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.